Hello and welcome to the Huntron Quick Tip video series. Today we're going to be looking at setting a reference for all components in a sequence. So to start, we're going to look at the components list, select this component BIC3, and if we go to the Component Scans tab for that component, you'll see all the scans for that particular component. Notice we have 3 known good boards that were scanned. They're labeled here by the word good, but only 2 of those are set for a reference. Well, I could mark this scan as a reference for the component by simply checking the reference checkbox for this component. And it's just taking a second to update that. So there we go. So now this is marked for that component. But it's only for this component. So what we would want to do is mark this scan for all the components in the sequence. So to do that, you can right-click in the row header where the little black arrow is. We'll right-click and select Enable Sequence Reference. And what that will do is it will enable this scan based on the date and time and the scan reference ID number for all the components in the sequence. So here's the serial number. It ends in 862. If we go to the next component, I'll just use the next component button. And it's taking a second to get to that one. Has to load a bunch of trouble. Here's BIC4, and you can see there's the 862 scan, and it's also enabled as a reference. Now you do have other options in this particular right-click menu. You can enable the sequence reference like we just did. You can disable a sequence reference. You can also delete scan. Now if you select delete scan, it'll only delete this scan for the selected component. If you select the next one down, delete scan all component nets, it will delete that scan for all the components that have that particular scan. And of course, if you want to load a troublesheet, load this scan into the troublesheet, then that's what load troublesheet would do. So I hope you find this information useful, and please do check out the other quick tips on the Huntron YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.